Ah, the majestic dance of photons and panels. Picture this. The sun, our celestial spotlight, generously beams its radiant energy towards Earth. Enter stage left. Solar panels, those quirky contraptions soaking up every bit of that luminous love. With a wink and a nod, they convert sunlight into electricity, performing their own little magic trick. It's like catching sunlight in a jar, except the jar is a high-tech slab of silicon. And voila, we have solar power, the renewable energy superhero saving the day, one sunbeam at a time. Who knew harnessing the sun's energy could be so delightfully whimsical? Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Harnessing Solar Power, a step-by-step guide to building your own solar panel system. Introduction. Welcome to the sunny side of sustainability. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of building your very own solar panel system, from selecting materials to soaking up the sun's energy like a pro. Whether you're a DE enthusiast or simply looking to reduce your carbon footprint, get ready to embark on an electrifying adventure in renewable energy. Step 1. Gathering materials. To kick things off, let's gather the essentials. Solar panels. Choose between monocrystalline, polycrystalline, or thin film panels. Monocrystalline panels are known for their efficiency and sleek black appearance, while polycrystalline panels offer a more budget-friendly option with slightly lower efficiency. Thin film panels are flexible and lightweight, ideal for unconventional installations. Silicon wafers. If you're feeling adventurous, consider DEing your solar cells using silicon wafers. Alternatively, opt for pre-made solar cells for a hassle-free experience. Perovskite materials. For the daring DEers, experiment with perovskite solar cells, known for their promising efficiency and potential for cost reduction. Mounting hardware. Secure your solar panels in place with sturdy mounting brackets or racks. Choose a mounting system suitable for your roof type and desired tilt angle. Inverter. Convert the direct current, DC, generated by your solar panels into alternating current, AC, for household use. Select an inverter with sufficient capacity to meet your energy needs. Wiring and connectors. Complete your solar panel system with high-quality wiring and connectors to ensure optimal performance and safety. Step 2. Building the solar panels. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. If you've opted for DE solar cells, assemble them into solar panels using a soldering iron and flux. Carefully attach the solar cells to a backing material, such as tempered glass or aluminum, using adhesive or solder. Connect the solar cells in series or parallel to achieve the desired voltage and current output. Seal the edges of the solar panel with weatherproof sealant to protect against moisture and debris. Step 3. Installing the solar panel system. With your solar panels ready to go, it's time to put them to work. Select an optimal location for installation, ensuring maximum exposure to sunlight throughout the day. Mount the solar panels securely on your roof, ground, or other suitable surfaces, using the chosen mounting hardware. Connect the solar panels to the inverter and electrical panel using the appropriate wiring and connectors. Test the system to verify proper functionality and performance. Step 4. Monitoring and maintenance. Congratulations, you're now a proud owner of a solar panel system. Keep the momentum going with these tips for monitoring and maintenance. Regularly monitor the performance of your solar panel system using monitoring software or a dedicated monitoring device. Keep the solar panels clean and free of debris to maximize sunlight absorption and efficiency. Inspect the system periodically for any signs of wear or damage, and address any issues promptly. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own solar panel system, ready to harness the power of the sun and lighten your environmental footprint. With the right materials, a dash of DE spirit, and a sprinkle of sunshine, you can join the renewable energy revolution and enjoy the benefits of clean, sustainable power for years to come. So go ahead, bask in the glow of solar success. The future is bright. Welcome to our solar-powered extravaganza. In this electrifying video, we've unveiled the secrets of harnessing solar energy, empowering you to build your own eco-friendly solar panel system. But wait, there's more. Your support matters. Give us a thumbs up, share this video with fellow green enthusiasts, and drop a comment with your thoughts and questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more electrifying content. Together, we'll light up the world with renewable energy. One like, share, and comment at a time. Let's shine bright like the sun. See you in the comments section.